Alright, in this video I want to show you how you can keep track of your purchases as you do this portion of our project and building your own PC. Here we're shopping for hard drives and we're on tigerdirect.com and we found a good deal on a 1 terabyte hard drive. So what we're going to do, we'll click on that as we check it out, see what's going on. And the way we're going to record this is we don't want to just go on the price here because there's more than just the purchase price. So in order to see that, we're going to add that to our cart. You don't need to add any service plans unless you have some extra money and you really want to. But then we're going to click on Proceed to Checkout. Now, don't worry, because what we'll be able to see is actually before we have to actually pay for anything. You'll see different payment information, but here here we have our item listed. Okay, now the one thing you do need to do is to put some shipping information. Okay, now we don't need any of this, but you can just put dummy information in each of these. Okay, the key is though that you put the correct city, state, and zip code. Okay, that's really all that has to be correct. Then what that will enable you to do is to look at the shipping method. It will show shipping charges. And you can see here this inner circle that Tiger Direct has, they actually have to pay for that. So you can pick the lowest level price here. And the real thing that we want to make sure of is that we have that price built into the total price of our item. So now, when you can see what it is, you can see here it's a 1 terabyte hard drive. You can see some of the details, the original price plus shipping and total price. What we're going to do is actually take a screenshot. And in order to do that, we'll actually look at an on-screen keyboard, and on your keyboard you'll need to hold down the Shift key, and you'll look for this key right here, Print Screen. Okay, now what that will do is actually take an image of the screen that you can see. So I'm going to click on that, and now that's on your clipboard. And what you can do is come over to a new Word document and simply paste that. Okay? Now, you may also want to take a screenshot of the detailed view of the item in question, but what you really need to report your costs later is this information right here, and you can crop it and resize it so it's a little easier to read. And you'll notice you have the price, you have the item, okay? And then you can obviously go back to Tiger Direct and just click on Edit Your Cart, and you can remove that item, and you don't need to worry about accidentally purchasing something. Okay, so that's how you'll keep track of things as you purchase them. Like I said, you may want to take a screenshot of a detailed view of each item just for your own information as you do the rest of the project. But this is the main thing that you'll use as you create your Excel spreadsheet later.